Hello there, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope all of you are fit and fine. And Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. And welcome to the new video. And as you can see, I'm here in the famous and the popular park right now. And here you can see nice smell and flower trees. So beautiful weather, and this is the morning time, of course. And I have completed my Fajr prayer, and after completing my Fajr prayer, I came here for making videos and to enjoy the beautiful natural and have a look at this, how beautiful park it is. So I invite you to come here to visit here, and I'd like to see you the tall grasses and have a look at this. So many grasses, and it's so long, it's so high and so beautiful. And 75 or 80% of this park is green. Have a look at this corner. So I'm going to tell you about this park something. This park is right now so famous, so popular, because on the weekends many other people are come here to visit the park or enjoy their free time. And I'd like to tell you one more thing, that if you want to enter the park, you need no money, because it's totally open for every people, anybody. So actually I came here especially for making videos, for a refreshment, for especially English practice, because I don't have English practice partner. Actually everyone has a dream, and of course I have a dream. My dream is English fluent speaker. So I'm trying my best. I'm trying to do my best, and inshallah one day I will achieve my achievement. So have a look at this. This is the circle, and actually lots of people are come here in the morning for their physical exercise. Have a look at this guy. He's walking, and this called physical exercise. So that's all for today. I hope all of you support me to move for what. And I'll show you one more beautiful scene. That is, just wait 1 second. Beside the park, this is a river. This river name is Voirab River, and this river is situated, of course, Bagarhat, and this is the river corner. So many trees are there. So if you are come here, then you impressed. So that's all for today. I have seen that many people are watching my videos, but they didn't like or follow my page. I hope all of you support me to move forward, and please hit the like button and follow my page. And if you are watching this video on YouTube, then you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the next video. So that's all for today, and have a look at this one more time. Keep well and take care of yourself. And if you are interested to learn English, to speak in English, then you have to practice with me. And so yeah, alhamdulillah. So that's all for today. Please take care of yourself, and see you on the next video. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.